Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 also.
Item 7.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, the leading counsel for this matter has applied for the adjournment of this matter, Lordship. He's
Which matter?
going through some medical condition. Item number 7, Lordship.
Therefore,
For the petitioner, Lordship.
petitioner.
Yes.
Is there any private respondent here?
See, it's the PP of the PP, Lordship.
No PP.
Yes.
I'm for the state lawsuit.
Okay, Mr.
T. Kamdal.
T. Kambo submits that the leading counsel for the petitioner has some personal difficulties today, and therefore pray for adjournment, to which Ms. L. Hager, Leonard PP, has no objection. Prayer allowed. My prayer allowed. List this matter after.
After Puja, Lordship. That may be listed.
After 4 weeks. Okay.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention for item number 14, 15, 16, and 17. Your Lordship,
Order.
yes, Your Lordship.
Let us see.
Your
Wait
Lordship,
for some time.
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Jamo, Your Lordship.
Maybe.
On
But then
instructions,
what this is for listed? This is listed for what?
in orders, Your Lordship.
Orders. But then what is the note?
I'm sorry, Your Lordship, since
In
I'm
this case, I am appearing for the petitioner, all the petitioner, my lord.
You are for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner.
Okay.
So Mr. Jammu has, in the morning has
Service
called me.
complete.
He has got some personal difficulties.
Okay. So 14. 14, 15, 16.
and 17, Your Lordship. 14, 15, 16, and 17, Your Lordship.
All parties are present. Service complete.
Completed, my lord. On the last occasion, I have taken in.
Objection not yet filed.
Yes, objection has not yet.
You better pray for some more time for filing
for
objection
yes, Your
instead of praying for the
I'm praying for 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
that would be better.
Yes, my lord.
So in the order column, it's very difficult
Yes, sir.
only for adjournment. You will be the loser. Okay, Mr.
Ji Tatak, Your Lordship.
Lani Counsel for
On behalf of Mr. T.
all the respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Respondent prays for
Government
father.
respondent.
How much
For-
time?
3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
He is appearing for the government respondent, respondent number 226, my lord.
No, Your
Who is
Lordship.
for other
4,
respondent?
4, and 5, Your Lordship.
One is the private respondent.
Have you filed? Objection. Have you filed objection?
Sorry, Lordship, I don't have brief, Lordship. It's the leading counsel, which is not present, Lordship, because the health issue.
Whether they have filed?
Only one person is fine.
Okay. You are Mr.
Ji Tatak, Your Lordship.
Lani Counsel for the respondent number
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Pray for father 3 weeks time to file objection. And Mr.
On behalf of petitioner.
Okay. Not yet filed. Not yet.
My lord, 16 and 17 respondent number have filed their objection in item. number
You are for
16 and
respondent number?
1, Lordship.
Okay. The respondent, Mr. Lani Counsel, his name, Lani Counsel for the respondent number 1 has also made similar prayer. And what about the other respondent?
They have not filed.
They
Objection.
will file. They were
They
supposed to
have
file,
not-
or
They have not yet filed the objection. Other respondent.
The other
in other
respondent-
cases, my lord.
they were also supposed to file.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. To which the prayers were made by the Land Council for the respondent has not been objected to by Mr.
PK Singh
Counsel for the petitioner. So in view of the above, that this matter, in the case, in view of the above, the respondent is granted 3 weeks, further 3 weeks time to file objection. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
obliged.
So before mentioning especially the order, just see what stage it is.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yeah.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24 with the consent of the other party.
Item 24.
Yes, Your Lordship. This matter may be fixed over after break, Your Lordship.
You are for petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No objection. Mr.
James Rick.
Jason, Land Counsel for the petitioner, prays for listing this matter after the ensuing puja vacation. To which, Mr. You are not here.
Your Worship, I have already taken the consent from the
Okay.
other party.
Mr. J. Singh, Land Council for the petitioner, with the consent of the Land Council of the other side, prays for listing this matter after puja vacation. The priority
Your Worship, there's
list this matter after
an interim also.
puja vacation. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of the.
Highly all right.
My lordship, I beg to mention item number 18, lordship. Lordship. Leading council, GKP is out of station, lordship, and the service and counter affidavit also has been filed. It may be listed after 3 weeks for admission here.
Lordship, I'm appearing for the respondent in this
Okay.
case.
You are for, you are,
I am
Mr.
for the petitioner, K. Lolen, lordship.
Land Council for the petitioner. And Miss UIP, yeah, Land Council for the respondents are present. You have already filed your
Affidavit in opposition.
affidavit, okay. Since the parties are present and readings have been exchanged, let this matter be listed for admission. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks for admission. Okay,
Of line.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23.
item 2, 3.
23. In this
Okay.
case, Your Lordship, the leading counsel is out of station, hence for today, Your Lordship may kindly adjourn this matter
You are for
for the appellants.
appellant. Yeah. And then there are private respondent also.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have obtained.
Taken consent.
Obtained
Consent. is-
consent, okay. Miss T.Y. Bhutia. Some is that the leading counsel is out of station, therefore pray for adjournment for
After 4 weeks.
after adjournment. She has also obtained consent of the other side. As pray for Kama, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
I'm sorry, lordship. Lordship, there is an interim order, item number 18, lordship. It may be continued.
The interim order pass earlier shall continue till the next session.
Interim order
Item
was
18.
recalled. Interim order was recalled
No, lordship,
on 25th 04
Wait,
2025.
Item 18.
lordship, my interim order was recalled on
18, just
25 for
Yes, yes.
2025, lordship. In again, I filed IA
don't
number.
make a mention without knowing, huh? By which order it was recalled?
Lordship order dated 4/7/2025, lordship, with the I number 172 of lordship.
In the main case records, there's no such order, Your Lordship.
Lordship, relevant para is para 9, lordship.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of business. The recall order was again recalled.
Then, Your Lordship, in that case, this matter may be fixed on Monday because we filed the affidavit in opposition. We've prayed for vacating the interim order. Since the interim order was vacated earlier, I did not want to press. However,
Okay.
now since
Lordship, leading counsel is out of station due to the domestic problem, lordship. It could not able to attend the Monday, lordship. After 2
You
weeks,
come prepared. You come prepare. What is this matter about?
It's
They are challenging the succession certificate that was granted to the.
Hmm?
They're challenging the succession certificate that was granted to the respondent, who's
Okay.
the wife of the deceased, and the petitioner, he's the son. Apparently, he's alleging that he's the son, but he's not the legal son of the deceased. And he had not disputed any of the claims before the learned district court. However, now he's.
So who is the
coming and
leading
saying-
counsel?
G Kata Lordship.
Out of station.
Lordship.
When he is coming?
Lordship, after 1 week, Lordship, maybe.
1 week
Then
can
the
be given.
puja vacation come, Your Honor.
Puja vacation.
Then the puja vacations will arrive.
After
The
1
court will not be sitting at that point. Since he has a file, Your Lordship, he can take up the matter.
After a week.
No.
Okay.
No.
After a week.
Then a fixed
will be
date,
before
fixed
puja
date
vacation
may be
also.
given, Your Lordship. A fixed date may be given.
Hmm?
Fixed date may be given.
When? 25. Okay, 25. Please pray for by. The Lana Council for the party. Huh?
24, Your Lordship.
Okay, 24. This is matter again on 24. Okay.
Give you.
All right.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 22 on behalf of Deep Angin, the leading counsel for the petitioner. Due to some personal difficulties, he could not come today. I have taken the consent from other party as well. Kindly, the matter may be fixed after puja break.
No. Mr.
O Pangam,
Lana Council submits that the leading counsel, Mr. D. Pang, Lana Council for the appellant, has some personal difficulties today, and therefore pray for it, to which Mr. Opada, Lana Council, appearing on behalf of the respondent, has no objection. So ring with the prayer is allowed. Leave this matter after
puja break.
entering puja vacation.
Obligement.
May I, my lordship?
Yes.
I would like to mention item number 21, my lordship. On behalf of Titagu.
Wait for some time. 21 is order. Okay. Wait for some time. We'll grant you adjournment. Do you have some time?
The senior counsel has told me, my lordship.
Okay, but then are you also going?
No, my lordship.
Okay, wait for some time. We'll grant you adjournment, but wait for some time because
Okay.
we'll have to see the order again.
Okay.
Okay.
Much obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11. The conducting counsel is out of station on medical ground. So may I adjourn the matters for today and fix it after 4 weeks.
Hearing.
Yes,
Item
Lord.
11.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. You are protected by the interim order.
Yes.
Who is in item 11 there? Is there any urgency? There is interim order.
Even otherwise, Your Lordship, we have not received the CD in this matter, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr.
A. Miura.
Planning Council for the petitioner is present. No, you are Lomdak.
A. Miura.
You're not there. Okay, you are appearing on behalf of
A. Bodo.
A.
Bodo.
Okay. Lanik or Nora. Where is Mr. Bodo?
He is out of station on medical
Submit
ground.
the conducting council, Mr. A. Bodo, is out of station. Therefore, pray for adjournment of the matter for
4 weeks. After 4 weeks.
why?
After 4 weeks.
Why bail application after 4 weeks?
Your Lordship, the conducting
You-
counsel is out of
Whether
station
the
on
accused
medical
appeared
ground.
before the police,
Yes, Lordship.
whether the accused, after obtaining interim anticipatory bail, did he appear before the police? See, that sounds unusual after obtaining 4 weeks. Anyway, No request. Okay. Adjournment of the matter. To which Genie, Learned Additional Duty has not taken. They are allowed. Then in that case, the code will code thereafter. Okay. They are allowed. This is matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention one unlisted item. This matter may be taken up on 15th of this month, that is on Monday, because there's one more matter.
What is matter?
This is criminal revision petition wherein
Unlisted.
yes, unlisted item. It may be taken on Monday because
Monday.
yes, on 15th.
May, Your Honor.
Hmm.
And I can mention item number 25, Your Honor.
Item 25.
Yes, Your Honor. I've taken consent from the petitioner, Your Honor.
I'm for the petitioner, Madam, in this case.
You are seeking adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor.
No objection. Mr.
H. Thai.
You are for respondent.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, why adjournment?
Main counsel is out of session, Your Honor.
Okay. So why this trend has to start with main counsel, all the main counsel out of station? Mr.
H. Thai.
Planning council submits that the conducting council is out of station. Therefore, pray for adjournment of the matter. For how much time?
Let be listed after Puja vacation, Your Honor.
To 3 weeks, to which Mr. Beakerson, planning council, for the petitioner has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Oblige, Your Honor.
Item number 1.
Your Lordship, here petition filed under 482 CRPC, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the petitioner is the husband and wife. Sir. The love marriage in the year 2012. After they have blessed with 5 children now, Your Lordship. In the year 2019, that is the 22/3/2013, Your Lordship, due to misunderstanding, the petitioner number 1 assaulted to the petitioner number 2, that's his wife, at her brother's house. And thereafter, what happened after 2 days, the petitioner number 2 FIR lost on 24/3/2019. That's Annexer 2, page 13. This is the FIR. Then what happened that after this lodging FIR, during that time that the FIR was not registered. Then in the 30, that's after 7 days. After accompanied by the relatives, the parties settled amicably. And that is Annexer 1, page 9.
FIR was registered.
Yes, the FIR was registered.
Okay.
This is page. There what happened after this settlement, the petition number.
This was way back in the year 2019.
Yes, the petition number 2 approached to the IO of the case, not registered the case, wanted to withdraw because as a husband and wife they had already mutually settled. Then the IO of the case assured to the petitioner 2 to not register the case. Then what happened is that then on that
How
day?
many days the informant approached the IO?
Yes.
Not to register after how many days you said?
After only the 7 days also. On that time that time the case was not registered. Then
7 days it was not registered.
As per sources, as per the statement given by the
When the FIR was closed?
FIR was lost on 24.
24.
Yes, 24.
24 March.
Yeah, that's 24 March.
It was registered on the same day.
Yeah, and happened that incident happened.
It was registered on the same day.
Yes.
As per the record.
Yes, as per record in the same day.
And where from you are submitting that 7 days it was not registered for 7 days?
Then what happened?
Have you seen? Please see page 13.
Yes. Page 13.
See, register another section so and so.
Yes.
Below
Yes.
signature.
Yes, section 4 448, 427, and 423 or 24.
Where is that?
Other sections was already only 423. The 424 is non-compatible.
Yes, but it
That's
was
right.
registered on 24. You see down below?
Yes.
It was registered on 24/3/19, isn't it?
Yes.
Then where from you are submitting?
No,
You are not registered?
No, Your Lordship, as per stated by the petition number 2, the as per record, they registered on 24 years, same day.
Yes.
Yeah.
I fail to understand why you.
So that is why what happened, that petition number 1, coming on 15, this is para 16, page 4.
What is that?
On 15/7/2025, the petition number 1 approached to the police for issuing of the NOC also. Then the
NOC?
petition, yes, the petition para 6 year.
What NOC?
There is some using for personal purpose. Then what happened? Then the surprise to the officer in charge of the Sepa Women Police Station informed that the case was still shown as the register as Sepa Women PS case number 04/2019 and GR case number 20 and under section 484/27.
Okay.
Then what happened that the petition number 1 coming to
So
CGM code, you will see the for furnishing the charge sheet and FIR copy. As per record available in the CGM trial court, there is no any charge sheet. They file only the FIR copy.
you are jumping, it appears. Wait, huh? So FIR was lodged, it was registered on the same day.
Yes.
Investigation carried out. Thereafter, what happened? Charge sheet submitted? No.
No.
Charge sheet submitted.
Record is not available in the CGM court, trial court.
Now, what the IO says? IO says that charge sheet already submitted.
Don't know, Your Lordship. IO stated during that time the IO assured to the petition number 2.
Forget about assurance. What happened thereafter?
Yes.
Investigation carried out.
Yes.
What is the result of the case? FIR. Charge sheet filed?
Yes. No. Charge is not filed as
Not
per
filed.
sources here. Because if charge is filed, then
2019, case registered.
Yes.
Charge sheet not yet filed, not
Yes.
possible. Yes,
therefore call the records.
Call for the case study, loss, not the case study.
the court to do everything to find out where the case is. Then there is a GR case also.
Yes.
You have mentioned that what is this GR case about then?
Here case is just they have after receiving the FIR copy, they have registered the case. General diary.
GR is not a general diary.
If your Lordship,
GD is general diary.
your Lordship, if the charge sheet is in the trial court, then
Where have you?
Because
have you applied for the?
yes, kindly page 11. That is CTC for the furnished by the judicial magistrate, chief judicial magistrate, secretary. Page 11. This is a CTC copy from the trial court. Sir.
This is only FIR only.
Yes, only FIR. They stated that there is no charge sheet in the record.
Will obtain the instruction whether the charge sheet is being filed or not.
Often instruct.
Yes.
Okay.
In 2019, for 6 years, no charge sheet is not possible. Okay, or what do we do? Because he submits that charge sheet not yet filed, or should we call for the case diary? And if they report that case has already been charge sheeted, then we can call for the case.
They can also do that.
Okay. Hard Mr. Jita P. Gyadi, Land Council for the. You better obtain instruction. Just a minute. What is the issue? Where is your application for punishing CTC?
Let us not annex here.
Why?
Not second
Why
copy.
you have kept it hiding? You should have
Se-
shown it that you have applied for the charge sheet, copy of the charge sheet. And then this is what they have furnished. What you will do with that copy?
Then maybe maybe call from that
Call from you.
no for the court.
Huh?
CGM court you receive trial.
You have made an application, could have kept one copy in order to show the court, satisfy the court that you have applied for the charge sheet, not for the FIR. Okay, then Sarah, this is an application filed under section 482 CR. No, 528 DNSS, praying for question. The SEPA WPS FIR registered as WPS number 04 2019 under section 448 427 324 IPC against the petitioner number 1. Call for the scanned copy of the FIR. Scan copy of the case diary. Just a minute. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the case, the FIR, although was lodged way back on 24/3/19, however, the case has not yet been submitted in the charge sheet. Okay, in view of the above, let scan copy of the case diary be called for. Issue notice. El Hage, learned additional EP is present. No formal notice needed. Stop. This matter
After a week close.
after a week. Okay.
Okay.
Item number 2.
Yes.
Fellowship. This is a criminal. This criminal petition has been filed under section 528 of BNSS, challenging the impugned order dated 2805 of 2025, passed by the learned CGM court Pasigat, whereby the private respondent was incorrectly discharged from the criminal case at the stage of CC, Your Lordship. Impugned order is at page number 33.
It's a criminal petition,
Yes.
not revision.
No. Just criminal petition. Here, Your Lordship, the fact of the matter is that basically here initially the private respondent, he purchased 600 square meters of land from the petitioner, which was valid. Thereafter, subsequently, he forged multiple documents, multiple sale agreements by increasing the area from actual sold area of 6,000 square
What was
meters.
the allegation against him?
Allegation,
Have you annexed the allegation?
yes.
FIR? Or what? Complaint or FIR? Criminal complaint or FIR?
FIR is there, Your Lordship.
FIR.
Yes.
Where do?
It is at page number
Page. Complaint against the respondent.
94.
Before.
Yes.
Okay, then thereof the case was registered,
Yes, this was
registered under
under section
420,
420, 468, 471.
and then investigated into
Yes, yes.
charge sheet filed. Let us
Yes.
see where is the charge sheet.
It was a charge sheet. It's at page number 103.
Okay, 120B IPC and 13(2) of PC Act could not be okay. So only under 420, 468, 471.
Yes.
Just a minute. What is your allegation in the FIR? 94. Just a minute. Okay. Charge sheet. Then charge framed. And this is the final order at the CC stage. Impugn order.
Yes, yes.
What impugn order say? No prima facie. Yes.
Well, in fact, they are challenging the order of the learned
Discharge.
CGM,
Hmm.
the order of discharge.
Hmm.
So in fact, we are only the investigating authority.
Yeah.
We don't have much of an say in the case
Mhm.
as of now. So at this stage, may I humbly pray, my lord, that the notice be issued, my lord.
Okay.
And
I have completed the also.
yes, yes, my lord.
Okay. Police will notice that.
And the request may be called for, my lord.
Yes.
Elsewhere.
Mr.
M. Combo.
M. Combo. M. Combo, Learning Council for the petitioner. By filing this application under section 528 of the BNSS 2023, petitioner has challenged the order legality and validity of the impugn order dated 8/5/2025 passed by the Land Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Pasigat in criminal case number 01/2025 in GR case number 134/2024 corresponding to SIC within bracket V, bracket close, police case number 13/2020 under section 420/468/471 IPC, whereby the Lanet Court has discharged the accused private respondent number 2 from the aforesaid criminal case at the stage of consideration of charge. Code for the scanned copy of the trial court record. Issue notice. Since Mr. Opada standing counsel, see now
ACB.
SCB. Appeared and accept notice on the accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1. No formal notice need be issued to the said respondent staff. However, the petitioner shall take necessary step for provision of notice notice upon the respondent number 2 by a registered post which AD as well as by usual process within a week from today. Staff list this matter after Within 3 days, okay? No, Sunday, Saturday falls. We'll say
3
within
working
4
days,
within 4 days, huh?
within 3 working days.
Working days. That's it. List this matter on when? When can, this is Pasigat.
Pasigat. 4 weeks.
Is a scanned copy.
Scan copy may be called for that.
Scanned copy has been called
Hello.
for. Then when do we fix?
After 4 weeks.
After 4 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay, after 4 weeks, list this matter after 4 weeks. Then give him 1 week time, to take steps within a week, okay? Yes.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
Yeah.
Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, my case is, I have filed this criminal petition to invoke the inherent power of this honorable court to quash the criminal complaint and its subsequent proceedings pending in the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate at Alo, Western District. Your Lordship, this complaint has been lodged by my wife, and upon his complaint, Your Lordship, the Chief Judicial Magistrate under Section 494 of Indian Penal Code, bigamy against me, Your Lordship. So, I have approached this honorable court with 2 main issues, Your Lordship. The learned Chief Judicial Magistrate had, while taking the cognizance of this case, has violated the provisions given under Section 223 of BNSSS, which defines the procedure to take while taking cognizance in a complaint case. And Your Lordship, the second issue is that I and my wife, is a complainant, private respondent, belongs from our scheduled tribe and belongs from Galo community, Your Lordship, where the marital system of polygamy is allowed. Your Lordship.
Polygamy is allowed.
Yes, the Galo society, Your Lordship, polygamy and the second marriage is not void, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in the Section 494 of Indian Penal Code, it strictly says where the second marriage is not void, then this section is in Galo society, Your Lordship, Galo community, this second marriage is not void. So I have filed this criminal petition with 2 main issues, Your Lordship.
So where the second marriage is not void,
And Your Lordship, my second marriage was conducted in the year 2014, Your Lordship. And complaint has been lodged this year in the 2024, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, my first issue regarding this process under question of law is, Your Lordship, that Section 223 of BNSS
what is
says,
that?
Bharatiya
23.
Yes.
Section,
Section 223. Your Lordship.
what is that?
It is chapter 16, complaint to magistrate.
Corresponding with
Yes,
CRPC,
And 223, yes, Doctor.
corresponding with CRPC,
CRPC 200.
okay.
Here, Lordship, it says that magistrate having jurisdiction while taking cognizance of an offence on complaint shall examine upon oath the complainant and the witnesses present, if any, and the examination shall be reduced to writing and shall be signed by the complainant and the witnesses and by the magistrate, provided that no cognizance of an offence shall be taken by the magistrate without giving the accused an opportunity of being heard. Your Lordship, may I take Your Lordship to page number?
Could you just repeat the last sentence?
Yes.
Not giving the accused an opportunity of being.
No magistrate shall. Start with.
Provided that
Provide.
no cognizance of an offence shall be taken by the magistrate without giving the accused an opportunity
Of being heard.
Yeah.
So here, Lordship, first of all, Lordship, may I take page number? Page number 100, Your Lordship, that is annex, right? I have annexed all the orders of this complaint case, Your Lordship. On 19/8/2024, Your Lordship, the matter was taken up for consideration, but but due to the
You're
absence of
challenging the procedure or the law itself?
procedure and law, Your. On
It is a
8/19,
procedure and it has
Yes.
to be revision.
no, Your. Your, I have filed this for quashing, Your, because I have two issues.
Quashing of?
I have two issues in this main case. One is that the magistrate, the learned magistrate court should not have taken this cognizance, Your Lordship. Because the cognizance has been taken under 494 of Indian Penal Code, which speaks about the restriction to an offense to the second marriage, Your Lordship.
Okay.
And it says that where the second marriage is not void, section
where it
494 will not apply.
Let us see
Yes,
the provision.
Yes.
Section
494 Indian Penal Code.
four 94.
Yes. Marrying again during lifetime of husband or wife.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, whoever having a husband or wife living marriage in any case in which such marriage is void by reason of its taking place during the lifetime of such husband or wife shall be punished with imprisonment such and such. An exception is this section does not extend to any person whose marriage with such husband or wife has been declared void by a court of competent jurisdiction, nor to any person who contract a marriage during his life of a former husband or wife, if such husband or wife at the time of the subsequent marriage shall have been continuously absent from such person for the space of
Okay.
7
What was
years.
your explanation earlier?
Yes. This section does not extend to any person whose marriage with such husband or wife has been declared void by a court of competent jurisdiction. Yes.
Whether the earlier marriage was declared void in your case?
Okay.
In the present case, whether the marriage between you and your first wife has been declared void?
You're not here in the starting point.
Yes.
Whoever having a husband or wife married in any case in which such marriage is void by reason of its taking place, Your Lordship. If a second marriage is void, it says in any case in which such marriage is void. So the question is whether my second marriage is void or not. That is the question.
Yes. According to you, it's not.
Yes, sir.
It's not
And
void.
it is not void, Your Lordship, because as per
And whether the first marriage was void or
a first marriage was not void, Your Lordship.
and then how the two marriages can be void?
Your
Two
Lordship,
marriages
say
can,
if a second marriage is taken place and if that marriage is not void, then section 494 will not apply. So here, your Lordship, this language says
second marriage according to you is not void.
yes. If second marriage is not void, then this section will not apply.
How the second marriage is not void when you marry during the lifetime of your first marriage?
Yes, Your Lordship. That is the case here in your case. Your Lordship,
Are you not governed by the general law IPC?
that is the exception, Your Lordship.
Where is
Because
the exception? You have to
Your
satisfy-
Lordship,
where is the
may please kindly come into the page number. Your Lordship, may please kindly come into page number 48 of my criminal petition. Page 48.
What is this?
Your Lordship, in the year 2014, my wife had lodged an FIR against me. And in anticipation of arrest in connection to that case, Your Lordship, I had applied for pre-arrest bail from this honorable court, Your Lordship. And while granting this bail to me, Your Lordship, this honorable Guwahati High Court, the bench has made an observation in the bail order itself at para number 6, Your Lordship. I am reading, Lordship. It appears from the said CD that the accused applicant has married one Srimati Nair Bagra as his second wife. As per Galo customary law and as per the customs prevalent in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, marriage to a second wife during the presence lifetime of his first wife is socially recognized, permissible, and acceptable in the Galo community. Let's say this is the observation of this honorable court, Your Lordship. And based on this observation, Your Lordship, I was granted anticipatory bail, Your Lordship. And
It was your submission.
from the CD, Your Lordship. Yes,
Just from the CD. Well, CD, the police might have said that as per Galo tribe.
yes, yes. And so,
As
Lordship,
per the Galo tribe, it is
so
permissible, must
Yes.
have observed.
yes,
That is a reflection of that
Yes.
observation in the CD only.
Yes.
But that cannot be the law.
so Your Lordship, now after that case recently here, on 26/6/2024, Your Lordship, the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate has acquitted me from this case wherein I was
DV case.
not this 498A case, Your Lordship.
That is why I'm saying domestic violence case.
Domestic violence case was a different case, Your Lordship. After this
There
case,
was how many cases against you?
first on a criminal case under throw FIR was lodged against me, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Then I was granted bail by this honorable court. Then after that, my wife applied, has lodged an application under section 12 of DB case. So through that case, Your
Two
Lordship,
cases against you.
yes, and
What happened to those two cases?
both of them is disposed in my favor, Your Lordship.
Okay, you have been acquitted
Yes, Your.
without any understanding, without any amicable settlement.
No, Your.
There was no,
With-
on merit only.
On merit only, I have been discharged, Lordship. And after I have been acquitted on 26/6/2024, Your Lordship, then on 16/8/2024, this private respondent has initiated this complaint case, Your Lordship.
Okay,
After
you are
10
not
years.
staying with the wife.
Staying with my second wife, and we have begotten two minor children, Your Lordship. And
But you have to prove,
yes, Lord, that is,
you have to satisfy the court
yes, Lord. So by prayer, it is,
that,
Your Lord,
that you are not governed by the IPC.
Yes.
And that there is an exception,
yes, Lord.
that, or there is the customary is overriding against.
Yes.
Over the IPC.
Yes, Lord.
Unless you satisfy that, are you government employee or?
I am a government employee, Lordship.
Okay, and at the time of appointment,
Yes.
you have undertaken that I will not marry during the while your first wife is alive.
Yes.
Or your spouse is still alive.
Here,
So you have to satisfy the court
yes,
in order to make this plea.
Yes.
That number one, you are not governed by the general law, that is IPC,
yes, Lord.
or your Galo customary
Yes, Lord.
or custom has overriding effect over the general law IPC, or that there is an exception. You have to satisfy unless you
Yes, Lordship. Your Lordship, this second marriage was actually happened on the consent and permission and insistence of this private respondent, Your Lordship.
then it's always better
Yes,
to
because
settle the matter before the Keba
yes,
with the participation of the first wife, that you have accepted, your family have accepted, and you have consented, and only on your consent the second marriage happened, or you married the second wife. That would be better. Otherwise, you have to satisfy what I have, what is court required
So-
you to satisfy.
So, Lordship, it is my my predecessor, this notice may be issued, Your Lordship, and the records of this complaint case may
No,
be.
you're challenging because unless you satisfy, you have to satisfy.
Yes, Lordship.
The case lies.
Yes. Here, Lordship, what happened? My wife was suffering from sick sinus syndrome, Your Lordship. In the year 2004, she was detected with sick
Yes,
sinus.
yes, Miss Jenny.
Yes.
Can notice be issued?
Your Lordship, I'll just Lordship's notice to one certain point that I have been, in fact, was very curious on my previous days, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship is well aware, there is an act of the government which is also a gazetted notification in the year 2009, Your Lordship.
Mhm.
I don't know if the state, because since it came via gazetted notification, it ought to have been implemented, Your Lordship. It's named as the Arunachal Pradesh Recording of Marriage Act 2008, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
This was gazetted notified on 6th of February 9.
Hmm.
As per this, since because we, the tribal society in the state just practices it. It has not culminated into laws, Your Lordship. This is just a practice, Your Lordship. So this act came in the year 2009. On this act, make it mandatory to register all the marriages, be it in the form of the rituals and the custom, but be registered under this act, Your Lordship. And this act also specify that if those marriage which was done after 2009, if not registered, will be declared as invalid, Your Lordship. My point to bring this out before Your Lordship is that this because this act has not been dissolved to this date, Your Lordship, meaning thereby, and since it has been gazetted notified, this ought to be implemented.
So you
Now,
mean to say the second marriage is void.
yes. So if this is implemented or not by this state, because this act to date still stands, Your Lordship. I'm
Second
taking
marriage in 2014.
15.
15.
Because I'm taking this opportunity even to apprise this court, Your Lordship. If not implemented, since this act is also there, even through this case also, Your Lordship can seek a report of implementation, Your Lordship. Because there are series of placement of directors, record keepers, and everything, Your Lordship. Because since this act to date still stands, Your Lordship, and it has not been dissolved.
That is also there.
Hmm.
But then before that, he has to satisfy
Hmm.
that he is not governed by the IPC.
IPC, exactly.
Or there is an exception, or the Galo customary practice has overriding over the IPC.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Unless he satisfies, it will be difficult.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And then he is being a government employee, and he has also undertaken, and the department, you see, proceeding also will proceed against you if your first wife lodges complain against you before the department. You bring out your appointment order that where you have undertaken that during the subsistence of the first marriage, you will not marry again.
Your Lordship, my wife, this private respondent has already lodged complaint before the Women Commission of Arunachal Pradesh. And after hearing my case, Your Lordship, I have been, they have closed this case, Your Lordship.
Who have closed?
Yes,
Women Commission
Women Commission, Your Lordship.
saying what?
Saying what that since I am, Your Lordship, bearing all the expenditures of my children and medical expenses of my wife, and my wife being a government employee.
That cannot be the ground. That is
Yes.
that is separate. That is separate.
Thereafter that,
It comes,
this Women Commission has admitted that since second marriage is not restricted in Galo community, it was a regular practice as
we
per
have
custom.
you have no idea, but then you have to satisfy before this court.
Yes.
Legally. So because
Your Lordship, so
if it is not restricted, it has to be in understanding only. If there is no complaint, you are safe. You are safe also.
yeah, Lord.
But if there is a complaint, you have to satisfy. There is a case where there is a complaint,
So here, Lordship,
and then your marriage, as pointed out, is not even void or not registered. You cannot say that you are married after 2010, 2009.
2009, Your Lordship.
2009. So that was the first marriage was before 2009.
Yes,
That's
in
socially
1995,
recognized.
1995 first marriage happened, Your Lordship.
So you see,
And
that is
so-
socially recognized.
So my prayer to the Honorable Court is, Your Lordship, notice may be issued to the party so that in the next hearing, I will try to convince this Honorable Court, Your Lordship.
No, you first convince, I think. You have to first convince this court so that this court not issue notice. There is a basic question.
Yes, sir. So here, Your Lordship, my very first reliance was the
Because you are
observation of the
challenging the
Honorable
court
Court.
order. Court order says it's only a taking of cognizance of the case.
Yes.
You are challenging that.
And Your Lordship,
So who will satisfy? The court is
So-
not going to satisfy because court has proceeded as per the law.
Lordship, as I had earlier submitted, I have meant two issues. What is, first is regarding this merit, and second is the procedure. Because, Your Lordship, while admitting this complaint, the procedure says when the complainant appears before the magistrate, she should be examined and the statement should be recorded in writing, and so she should sign this. But this, at the time of consideration of this complaint, Your Lordship, she was not examined, and the
Who was
statement
not examined?
This complainant should have been examined by learned CGM court, Your Lordship. But she was not examined, Your Lordship. I have enclosed all the orders, Your Lordship. And thereafter, yes,
Yes,
Lord.
in fact, as per my
I have
understanding,
enclosed order, Your Lordship.
per my understanding, Your Lordship, on the initial date when the matter came up, Your Lordship, since there was a medical emergency of the counsel of the
Yes.
applicant therein, Your Lordship, the matter was adjourned.
Yes.
And the matter was not taken up at all, Your Lordship. Subsequently, on their presence, Your Lordship,
No, prospective accused failed to file reply.
Because, Your Lordship,
Where to file reply also? He was to
it's-
file reply also.
it's not mandatory as per, the accused has to be heard is what is being given under the proviso, Your Lordship. He was heard on many occasions, Your Lordship.
no, Your Lordship, Your Lordship, may I take this Lordship to page number 103, Your Lordship. This is the day when this matter was, the consideration was taken, Your Lordship. On that day, Your Lordship, page 103, Your Lordship. Here, in the order, it is
103.
reflected. Yes, Your Lordship.
What is that?
Case is fixed today for consideration. Complainant is represented by learned counsel, Mr. Paktasora, learned Mr. Pakhard, Mr. Learned. The present complaint is under 94 IPC, which is now inserted in section 82 of BNS. It is the case of the complainant that during the subsistence of her marriage with accused respondent Gammo Kanku has entered second marriage with one Miss Nyair Basar on 21/2/2015. Thus,
Having
the
heard learned counsel.
yes.
Heard.
Yes, but the law demands that the complainant should be examined and the statement should be reduced into writing and it should be signed by the complainant. That was not done. And in this order, Your Lordship, it is reflected that having heard learned counsel, I have also considered the petition.
Notice was also issued. Cognizance should not be taken.
Yes, Lordship.
You were
And
given
annexer,
opportunity.
annex
You were
here to the
given opportunity.
deposition in affidavit of Your Lordship on the day of 7/9/2024, Your Lordship, there was no deposition in affidavit filed in the court, Your Lordship. I had applied for certified copies of all the documents and the court order, Your Lordship. Here it is mentioned, reflected that deposition in affidavit of the complainant, but Your
You
Lordship,
also made prayer for dispense of your appearance also.
yes. So, Your Lordship,
You
on the
were
time
heard.
of,
I think on several occasions you were present, you were having heard.
no,
When
I
we
was
say
not.
having heard, that was only after hearing only.
Yes, Lordship, on that day, Your
You
Lordship,
were also directed to appear on the next day.
for necessary order, Your Lordship may see that after
Complainant has
my,
been examined, see page 110, 25/8.
yes,
the
Your Lord,
complainant has been
after
examined.
taking cognizance, Your Lordship. But the law demands that before taking cognizance, the complainant should be examined, Your Lordship.
When the cognizance took
Cognizance was taken on 19, Your Lordship.
19,
Yes, Lordship.
19 of
19 of June.
June.
Taken cognizance of the case, Your Lordship, this complainant has been examined. But the law demands, as per section 223 of BNS, that first the complainant should be examined, and if any witness is present, that should be also examined. The statement should be written, reduced into writing, and it should be signed by the complainant and the witness. Thereafter, notice.
So
would
where
be
is
issued.
where is the order immediately before taking cognizance of the case?
Yes. Your Lordship, 39 is the impugn order, Your Lordship, on the day which this cognizance was taken. And immediately after,
Evidence before charge.
yes, Lord.
Charge not yet framed. So you're fixed for evidence before charge.
Yes,
It will be evidence before charge.
yes, evidence before charge.
Hmm.
But Your Lordship, this complaint says, in complaint proceeding, Your Lordship, first the complainant must be examined, Your Lordship. And her statement should be reduced into writing and she should sign this. Then
This was
only after
complaint
date,
Complaint before the magistrate, or this is a
before the magistrate, Your Lordship,
not FIR,
not FIR, Lordship.
not
or
complaint,
private complaint, Your
not police case.
not police case, Your Lord. So without examining the complainant, the notice has been
Where is the
issued.
complaint? Where is the complaint letter?
A complaint is
Complaint petition.
it is page number 82, Your Lordship. Your Honor, Your Lordship may please come to page 82. Annexure 7 is the complaint. Your Lord.
It only says evidence before charge. That is there, but then has to examine the complainant should have been examined. Ms. Jenny,
Yes, Your Lordship.
complainant
In fact,
not examined.
since
Yes,
I'm,
complainant not examined, Your Lord.
Your Lordship, I concede with my the council, Your Lordship. As soon as the complaint is being filed, Your Lordship, when the court take up the matter, Your Lordship, not even for taking cognizance, but then for consideration, Your Lordship. The complainant has to be examined, and if there is any witnesses, they have to be examined.
Hmm.
Thereafter, someone goes to the.
Yes, that was not done. Yeah,
It was not done.
That as per them has not been done, and Your
Okay,
Lordship,
anyway, then we'll issue notice.
I'll need to go
We'll
through
issue
the
notice.
records.
You also obtain
Yes.
instruction, and at the same time, we'll see the records then. Okay,
Yes.
but then regarding this error, of course, but then regarding this 494, you have to satisfy.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr.
Kebab Tasso, Your Lordship.
K. Tassa, Land Council for the petitioner. By filing the application under 528 of the BNHS 2023, the petitioner challenged the order. Where is the impugn order? Order dated, which date?
19/6, Your Lordship.
Order dated. Why you have mentioned it? What is this 7/9/2024?
It's
This
there.
is the day when this consideration was taken and this procedure was not followed, Your Lord.
Okay,
Your Lordship may also reflect
okay, order
the,
dated, challenge order dated 7/9/2024 and 19/6/2025. By which 25 passed by learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Alo in complaint case number 21/2024, by which the learned magistrate has taken cognizance under section 494 of Indian Penal Code. This was in the Indian Penal Code. The complaint was lodged before 1st July 2023, when the complaint was lodged? When, which date?
2024, Your Lordship.
24.
It's
Why
shown
IPC
as
then?
10/8/24, Your Lordship. The filing date.
Why 24 IPC then? Should have been BNSS.
16/6.
66 now. No.
Isn't it? See, the complaint was filed under BNSS and then the panel 494 IPC. There is some difficulty there also. Okay. What is the corresponding section of 494?
Eighty-three.
Yes. Within bracket 494 IPC within bracket 83.
83, Your Lordship.
See how this is under BNSS and then
82, Your Lordship. I deeply apologize. 82, yes.
see the proceeding also. Although under BNSS it proceeded, but then IPC.
Your Lordship, there might have been instances because the offense seems to have taken prior to the coming of the BNS, Your Lordship.
But now, but she is filing now
Yes, Your Lordship.
after implementation. Okay. Call for the trial court record. Issue notice. Since Mr. Lanet Editing PP appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the state respondent, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. However, the petitioner shall take necessary steps for coding of service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by a register post week 80 as well as by usual process within a week from today.
Lordship, in the interim, Lordship, the complaint proceeding may be stayed till further order, Your Lordship.
I'll just
Because the
clarify.
procedure of the complaint itself is now.
With this matter,
I'll just clarify, Your Lordship, with small difference here. In the impugn order that has been challenged on 7/9/2024, when the case was considered, Your Lordship is well aware, even the deposition can be made in the form of affidavit, Your Lordship. It seems the learned Honorable Court has taken, Your Lordship will just peruse 103, page number 103, Your Lordship. If I may just read.
My contention is that, Your Lordship, on that day, no such deposition was filed, Your Lordship. Because deposition was filed
Being heard
on.
by council, I have also considered the annexure annex there too, along with deposition in affidavit.
103.
103, your last paragraph. Your Lordship.
Okay. Having heard.
Yes, having heard learned counsel, I have also considered the petition and annexure annexed thereto along with deposition in affidavit of the complaint.
Yes.
So if that deposition was given, thereby meaning thereby that
It
examination.
appears. It
It
appears.
Yes.
Anyway,
And my
but then
contention
since
is.
he is raising, let us see.
Yes.
Okay, but then in that case, see, affidavit annexed thereto along with deposition. In deposition in affidavit,
Yes.
it appears he has given.
Yes, Lordship, and my
Instead
contention
of
is that on that day, Your Lordship, no deposition was.
We have no idea, but then
Yes, that-
see, the
that
order
was-
reflect. The
Call
order
record may
reflect.
be, record may be called, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, that submission may be recorded, Your
Yes.
Lordship, because that's not in the petition as well.
Hmm.
I have mentioned it in
The-
my petition, Your Lordship.
Call for the scanned copy of the trial court record, huh? Okay. Please this matter after.
Lordship, interim,
Notice is not, Your Lordship is issuing the notice, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Yes, after 4 weeks in that case,
Okay.
Your Lordship.
Lordship, interim,
That means after vacation, after 4 weeks. Okay. It appears. 494, you could not satisfy. And then there is a deposition, it appears, affidavit in deposition.
Lordship, record may be called because on
Record
I
called for,
have
record
mentioned
called
in my
for.
petition, your
Record has
Lordship,
been
that
called for. It will not affect you adversely. Even if it proceed also, it will not adversely affect at this stage because it's a content case of it. But then it's always better, instead of fighting a battle, it is always better to sit together in a negotiating table with the wife. After all, your wife, mother of children, and it is always better to settle mutually.
yes, Lordship, in
And
the
then
end,
it will be difficult, I tell you, it will be difficult for you to prove that you are not governed by the general law IPC. And there is exception I haven't seen. Constitution, section 13, Article 13 provides, but then you have to satisfy that you have to satisfy that this Gallo customary law overrides the general law IPC. It will be difficult for you. And then you will now come with the document that in your appointment you have undertaken that you will not marry during the subsistence of the present spouse. So it will be difficult if it goes to the partner also. So it is always better you go for. That is suggestion because you are wife and husband.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
highly appreciate.
Number 4.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, on last occasion, this matter was withdrawn with liberty to file afresh, your Lordship, for necessary correction.
Then you withdraw.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
Lordship. We
So
have
you
annexed the missing complaint letter, which is in page number 24, your Lordship.
24.
24.
Okay.
Annexure number 1,
This is complaint. Okay. Before the
before the SIC, your Lordship.
Now, what was to be done? Not or
Yes,
what?
well, notice can be issued, my lord. But as far as the interim order is concerned, my lord,
This is still under investigation stage, or
yes, it's still under investigation.
investigation cannot be stayed.
No, what happened, my lord, here, the investigation delayed only because, my lord, the earlier
No, just a minute. When it was those, by the way,
20,
2020.
yes, my lord.
2020
Lordship.
investigation not yet complete.
Lordship, since
therefore-
5 years, no charge sheet have been filed.
Yes.
Why? Because, my lord, the earlier IO,
Huh.
in between he got.
Maybe, okay.
got it.
IO, 10 IO. change.
Now we have.
Agreed. We grant you 10 IO. Then
We have.
Lordship, because of this pendency of your Lordship, the petitioner has been going through undue harassment, your Lordship, and the pension amount has
No.
been deferred.
okay. He
Yes, sir.
is in the service. What?
Lordship, right now,
Retired.
he has been retired on the last year, Lordship, October month. Since then, he has not
What
been.
is the allegation in short?
Allegation when the petitioner he was working as a DFO
Okay.
at Karadadi district, my lord.
Hmm.
He along with the co-accused, my lord,
Hmm.
and some firms, my lord. They have siphoned of 3.60 crores, my lord,
Oh,
which was meant for Kampa, my lord, compensatory frustration. So it is
very long FIR, 6 pages FIR.
yes, my lord. Now, they have forged documents.
Hmm.
There is no, there is a village called Tape in Karadadi district.
Mhm.
So, this the main co-accused in connivance with the RFO,
Okay.
they have notified the village area as village forest, village reserve forest,
Mhm.
and that's short for funds. Even the villagers doesn't know that their village comes under the forest,
Hmm.
village forest reserve. And then that's siphon of all the amounts, my lord. That is the main issue.
Okay. So the FIR was lodged after his retirement
No, my lord.
or
For his retirement.
DFO
DFO, my lord.
and a connivance with local contractor.
Yes, my lord. Yes, no.
We'll call for the
CD, my lord.
we'll call for the case, Sari.
Yes, Lordship.
But see, 2020,
My lord. My lord.
and then nobody will believe.
My lord. I
Even
appreciate that.
10 or 11 IO changes also. But then And then case has not yet been charged with investigation not yet complete till now. That will be difficult.
My lord.
I think how many IO changes?
Only one, my lord. My lord, in fact, I have got that.
See, the person now retired and you will face trouble. Had he been in service, different. But then now he is retired. He needs the retirement benefits.
My lord.
Because of that retirement benefits, he did not receive. Can I counsel for the petitioner? What she is doing?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, also one technical board was constituted, Lordship.
Hmm?
One technical board was constituted,
Okay.
dated 2/11/2021, wherein it has refuted all the claims which was made in the prior preliminary inquiry, Lordship. So despite of this report, till date, the petitioner has been deprived of his lawful rights. As
No, because the investigation is still under.
yes, Lordship, no investigation has been undertaken till date.
Now, I think
Yes,
apart
my
from apart court, as we are calling,
My lord.
you probably have to instruct them to immediately file charges
Surely, my lord. Surely, my lord.
if there is nothing final report.
And then, but if my lord agrees, my lord can make an observation, my lord.
No, we cannot direct.
No, just an observation.
Okay. Miss
T. Mosang,
T. Mosa.
Lordship, we would like to pray for the interim as well. Because since 5 to 6 years, the petitioner has been
Let us see the record. You have suffered for 6 years. Few more days. Because now we do not know. Supposing if we stop, if it is on the process for filing charge sheet, can't stop. No? Yeah.
my prayer is for the quashing of the FIR, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. And all the criminal proceedings which has been arising from the FIR.
By filing this petition under 48, this not 48, 528 of BNSS 2023, the petitioner prays for setting aside and passing of the FIR number 06/2021 dated 24/3/2021, register SIC within bracket VIZ bracket close stroke ACB ES Itanagar under section 120B stroke 409 stroke 420 stroke 465 and 4771 IPC read with 13 stroke 13 within bracket 1 within bracket capital C within bracket capital V and 13 within bracket 2 of EC Act 1988 and all criminal proceedings emanating thereof. Start now. It is submitted that although the FIR was lodged way back on 12/2/2020, the police, the what was the SIC?
My lord.
Now ACB.
Yes, madam. Investigating authority.
Okay, the investigating agency has failed to file charge sheet into the case till date. Due to which the petitioner, and in the meantime, the petitioner has retired from his service. However, due to will not make that observation.
My lord,
Okay.
my lord.
Only up to that. I'm not yet submitted charge sheet, huh? Till that. Okay. Start. Call for the scanned copy of the case diary. Stop issue notice. Since Mr. Opada, Land Standing Council, ACB, has appeared and acted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 2.
Yes, my lord.
No formal notice need be issued to the said respondents. However, the petitioner shall furnish extra requisite copy to the Land Standing Council during the course of the day. Stop. The petitioner shall also take necessary step for closing of service upon the respondent number 3 by a registered post with AD as well as by usual process within a week from today. This matter after, we'll say, after vacation only it will come. Yes.
3 weeks.
After 3 weeks. Okay.
Next.
Item number 5.
Yes.
My lord, here the second appeal is against the order passed by the district and session just passing it, my lord.
This
Here, my lord.
second appeal.
Yes, second.
First appeal was filed before.
Was filed
District
before district and session just.
What order was passed?
Your Honor, my lord, the condemnation petition was filed before district and session just passing it, and it was rejected. Against condemnation petitions, condemnation applications
Rejected.
rejected, and there was a delay of 4 days. 4 days delay was not considered by the district and session just.
Then
And against that, the second appeal is filed.
and you have challenged.
Yes, challenge that order.
And since the condemnation petition, prayer for condemnation of delay was, the delay was not condoned.
Yes.
The appeal also dismissed.
No, appeal is not reflected here, but since the condemnation petition is dismissed, the appeal is automatically terminated.
Where have you stated?
Yes,
How
Your Honor.
automatic on assumption or presumption can we?
No, Your Honor, here,
Why second appeal?
second appeal, Your Honor, here,
Was it appeal? The condemnation is not appeal.
yes, yeah.
Delay condemnation is not appeal. And where is the appeal?
That's why, Your Honor.
Unless you challenge the order passed in the appeal, that cannot be second appeal.
But Your Honor, here is a judgment that the
What
earlier,
judgment?
second appeal is not maintained. But here that was overall.
What it says?
Yes, 11. It says that second appeal is maintainable. According to the
Second appeal in, no.
second appeal.
You say that order not yet passed in the appeal. If the appeal has been disposed of or dismissed, whatever, any order passed, final order passed in the appeal, then second appeal lies. But condemnation,
But it-
rejection of the condemnation petition, can you file second appeal?
Yes, but in
That is not a second appeal.
in that judgment, it says that if dismissed, and when it was filed under section 5 of the Limitation Act, the second appeal lies, according to that judgment. That the earlier judgment was overruled.
What is the difference? Based on judgment. Where?
It's 11 year, no?
Second appeal lies against the dismissing of the,
Including your honor.
see, now have you annexed the dismissal of your appeal?
Yes, your honor.
Then second appeal, where is? Then second appeal lies. But then if it is only against the condonation, the rejection of the condonation petition, that cannot be the second appeal. Where is the low point? Where is the judgment? Or where have you stated the substance of law? This is against, if it is against the appeal. Substantial question of what substantial question of law?
The substance of prayer, Your Honor, is that.
Where have you stated? It's not against, it's against,
Substantive question of like that, Your Honor, there is a justification for rejections of the,
rejection, see, that is the exercise of the discretion by the court. If you fail to satisfy, court will reject. That is a discretion. But appeal, if you are aggrieved by the dismissal of your appeal, then second appeal lies on low point.
Your Honor, yeah, my lord, even there was a judgment, apex court judgment.
What apex court judgment? It apex court order dismissing.
Yes,
It is recalled that it is held that the second appeal against order dismissing first appeal being time barred. Consequently, upon dismissal of the application under section so and so is maintainable. See, well, dismissal of the first appeal. First appeal, if it is dismissed, being time barred. But here is the case where you have not. Where is the dismissal of the appeal? Show me. Appeal is to be dismissed. If the appeal is dismissed, appeal has been dismissed, then second appeal leads. Probably you have not annexed. Appeal.
The annexure A, page 50, is the.
Annexure A. Page 50.
Yes, it's page 15,
1.5.
1.5.
Okay.
The operative part is, Your Honor, my lord, page 70. Page 17.
Learning class, this is Miss case number 47, 2023.
Yes.
And this is grounds for delay must be reasonable, bona fide, and there should be application rejected. This is your condonation petition, but still, where is in Pasigar is T appeal? Where is T appeal? Where is order pass in T appeal? Pasigar T appeal. Then how the second, how this can come as a second appeal? How can you file second appeal against the dismissal of your condonation petition? That is not appeal.
According to the judgment, I guess on that, because second appeal is mentioned.
See, dismissal first appeal. If your first appeal, you annex the dismissal of appeal, so then the second appeal lies.
No, second appeal.
This is dismissal of rejection of your condonation petition only. If you bring or challenge the dismissal of the appeal also because of bar of limitation.
My lord,
If the second appeal has been dismissed because of on the ground of limitation, then you can come.
my lord, here miss case, since the miss case is dismissed, there is no any chance for further proceedings of the.
Okay. If there is a chance, how can you say if there is no chance? You saw the record. That is why I'm saying only just produce the second dismissal of the appeal, then second appeal lies.
Because after dismissal.
It is understood. It will be automatically dismissed, but that has to be annexed. That is the appeal. That is the pass. That order would be the order passed in the appeal. Then it will become second appeal before the High Court. But then this is in the condemnation petition, miscase has been disposed of. This cannot be in the second appeal.
But the first appeal is still pending, there is no hearing is fixed. After dismissal of
See, after dismissal, you have no right also. If you dismiss, wait for some time. You ask them to dismiss or to pass any order if they can. So unless that order is passed in the first appeal, how the second appeal lies? Second appeal is when you fail in the first appeal, then lies second appeal. But this is miscellaneous application is the first application. It's not an appeal. It was the first application only. So this cannot come under this section. And you got me? Understood?
Yeah.
So automatically it is understood, as you said, that since your delay was not condoned, and it cannot proceed, then some order has to be passed in that appeal that since this delay was not condoned, this appeal is dismissed for on limitation, on the ground of a limit. Then you can come, of course, file the second appeal. So that order is not there, but then only against this condemnation, it's not appeal, second appeal. That can be revision. Or you can file review before the same court. You file review. Have you filed review?
No.
You file review because 4 days is nothing. Should have been, of course. I don't know what justification they have, but then file review petition before the same court, or it can come by way of revision. This cannot be because second appeal doesn't lie. You have to withdraw, file revision or review before the trial court.
To my understanding of law,
Or you can come under 226.
To my understanding of law, if the dismissal of miscase for a condemnation of
Okay, let us see the second appeal.
ground for
Let us see the provision. What is the provision? 100.
That is why in this matter we fix on Monday, because we have to come with citation and the provision.
Okay,
That is why.
if you wish. Let's pray for by the Lana Council for the petitioner. Let this matter be listed again on Monday.
Yes, Monday.
But go through the second appeal, this one. Provision 100, you have come under 100 CPC. Go through it again. And this is not, this is no, not the appeal. This condemnation petition, miscellaneous application. Okay, this is not the appeal. The appeal is yet to be disposed of, it appears. Okay.
Item number 6.
Members, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is an MSc appeal against the award passed by the Learned Tribunal Bomdila. And Lordship, ground of appeal is on two grounds. One is territorial jurisdiction and one is against the condonation of delay.
Territorial jurisdiction doesn't have the jurisdiction.
Yes,
Who, according to you, has the jurisdiction?
Lordship, the accident occurred in Teju and the claimant are the permanent resident of Chokam. So Teju MSCT has the jurisdiction.
Presently residing at Bomdila.
Lordship, they've shown that they're presently residing at Jang. But your Lordship, in their cross of the claimant,
What is the other ground?
other ground against the condoning of the 221 days in filing the claim.
Have you filed application before the same court, tribunal? Have you raised these issues?
Lordship, it was
Was it-
passed in our absence.
Ex parte?
Yes.
Then you have to suffer. Anyway, what we can do is, okay, Mr. G. Kapoor, Lami counsel for the appellant. What is the total of awarded amount? Death case or
16 lakh.
injury? Injured. Death or
Death.
injured? Death.
Death.
Okay. Para. This is an appeal filed under Section 173 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 against the judgment and award dated 12/6/2025 passed by the Learned Tribunal, Learned Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Bomdila, in MSC case number 18/2023. Stop. No? The appeal is admitted. Court for the trial court record. Issue notice. The appellant shall take a step for notice upon the respondents by a registered post with AD as well as by usual process within a week from today. Now, please this matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, I prayed for stay of.
You deposit 50%,
No, Lordship.
then how that will issue notice then? No. You have to deposit 50%. If you are praying for stay, will not allow them to withdraw now. For withdrawal, you may file objection if they file an application for withdrawal of the amount. But in any case, you have to deposit if you are praying for stay. Otherwise, there will be no stay. Okay, hard,
The
Mr.
Lordship will deposit on the next day.
Next day,
Yes.
there will be no stay.
Okay. Then consider after we deposit.
Hmm?
Lordship may consider stay after we deposit the amount.
Okay. What is the total amount?
16 lakhs.
16 lakhs. Okay. Okay, next.
Okay.
Item number 8.
May I, this petition is filed under 528 BNSS for quashing of FIR dated 12/2/2009, registered as Balijan PS case number 02/2009. Actually, Your Honor, this matter was lastly heard on 4th of this month, and this Honorable Court has directed to file the charge frame order of the learned CGM court, and I filed one additional affidavit.
Additional affidavit for what?
The order of the charge framed. Actually, initially, Your Honor, the sections frame charged were 452, 341, and 324, and later on it was charge was framed under 448 and 324 of IPC. And the parties have already settled. This is joint application.
Joint application?
Yes, Your parties have settled this matter, and they have executed one agreement also. And in my petition, I have annexed that also.
Have you received the record?
Not yet, Your Lordship. The registry has not yet received the record, Your Lordship.
Not yet received.
Yes.
So record is still awaited. We can wait for some more days.
Okay.
Mr.
T. Rahul.
T.
Rahul.
Rahul, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. the Ms. Jenny Laden, additional PP. Some is that the record, sorry, just a minute. That little bit. So, Ms. Jenny Laden, additional PP is also present. File code record as code for it still awaited in view of the above. That this matter. Be listed.
Yeah.
When can,
After
which
Puja
court?
vacation.
After Puja vacation?
Your Honor, till then, the lower court proceeding,
Which court?
CGM,
UPI.
CGM, UPI.
UPI.
Yes.
What is there was no stay. 448.
Yes. 448 and 324.
24, 324. Moved. Okay, this old lady,
Yes, yeah.
just a minute, what is the complaint? Have you gone through the petition? Ms. Jenny,
Yes, Your Lordship.
can we pass or stay the proceedings?
Your
It's
Lordship.
serious.
Your Lordship, since the party has come to an agreement, Your Lordship, I don't have any objection to the, because the matter is of 2009 and
2009,
yes, the charge was framed only in the year to 2024, Your Lordship.
charge framed. Now they have called for the, have we called for the trial court record or? Yes, the trial court record. Yeah, director it must be.
I think there was a, on the last occasion, on the first occasion, there was an issue with regard to the GR number not
Yes,
being properly being,
they did not disclose.
yes.
So
that's
now
right.
they have filed this additional affidavit, and probably in the additional affidavit, they must have made a prayer or given the number
Yes.
also.
Yes, Your Lord.
Yes, here it is there in my additional affidavit. Also, I have annexed one order dated 13/9/2024. It is the order of CGM in which the charge is framed under 448, 324 IPC. Landed last occasion, this honorable court has directed to submit this order copy also
Charge frame,
under section 448 and 324 IPC.
okay, 341 dropped.
Yes. 452 also dropped. My lord, it's a long pending case. So my humble submission, as the parties have already settled the matter outside the court. So
Okay.
it may be caused here.
Next week,
Is UPI only?
yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Just a reminder may be sent to them.
Mhm. Okay,
My lord, interim may be granted.
the trial court record is still awaited. In view of the above, the proceeding. In view of the above, and upon consideration of the submission made. Consideration of the contention made in the application. It is provided that the trial proceeding of the where is the case number of the GR trial proceeding of the GR number 5611 arising out of Balijan PS case number 02/09 under section 448 324 IPC before pending before the Chief Judicial Magistrate UPI cell remain state till the next date. List this matter next week. Okay.
Obliged.
The issue reminder for the file code code. Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 9.
Yes.
My lord, so just petition for calling of the skin from session court Basar. So whether skin copy has received by the honorable court or not.
What is 109?
Yes, my lord, may I submit? My lord, this is a third bail petition. Before this, I have filed bail petition before Basar's Session Court 2 times. So I am the age of 56 years of age, and I have been language in judicial custody for 6 months. Your Honor. That one of this. And I have cooperated all investigation, of the cases, and now charge has been submitted, Your Honor. And 2 time bail application was rejected on basis of that medical laboratory certificate had not submitted. Again, second bail was rejected that there is a prima facie case of statement made by the witnesses. So I have been suffering from disease, Your Honor, my lord. 2023, I have undergone operations of cervical, the spinal cord operation at Trims Hospital, Naharlawan. Then case number, Your Honor, this is page 23, my lord. Then 24, then 24, my lord. That is, I was also saw a medical term at Trims Hospital, Naharlawan, that it was advised, doctor advised me to labor. Then on the basis of laboratory tests, magnetic resort MRFA, that is, I have been found, my lord, lumbar spinning below. That is, imaging whole spine reveals spinal change in
So
cervical.
107 and 326 corresponding.
Yes, yes.
PC.
And my lord, also there is again another element of the disease. While I was in the judicial custody, then I have been suffering.
Let us see what is the allegation.
Suffering from kidneys, like kidney stone. And I have been getting treatment in the civil hospital, as and when I got serious pain. So this reference was done on the basis of my seriousness of the pain of these kidneys, stomachs, and the spinal cord, which had got operated at Trims Hospital. So all the refuses the prescription has been annexed in my petition, my lord.
What is the status of the case
Your Lordship, the charge sheet has already been filed, Your Lordship.
filed?
Yes, and the case
This
has
is
already,
trial court record then.
it's on the record, Your Lordship. And also the case already been committed to the Sessions Court, Your Lordship. And the next day is for CC.
CC.
Yes.
My lord, I have received a charge sheet, but there's no any ML report which is grievous cause to the victim. So on it photo shows only it is cause of like one time attempt of that victim. No report, no ML report, nothing is
Injury of?
which I have received charge sheet from the trial court. No any injury report of victim has been punished to me.
So what is your summary?
Your Lordship, since only the charge sheet has been filed and the case is yet for the CC, Your Lordship. I have also flag marked some of the statement given to during investigation, Your Lordship, an interrogation, Your Lordship. The wife of the accused has also seen the commission of crime. She has stated
This is
before the
also
police.
eyewitness.
There are shopkeepers because since the incident happened in the market area, there are shopkeepers who has seen
Okay.
who are witnesses to the.
What was the reason?
There is an allegation that his wife has an illicit relationship with the complainant, Your Lordship. That was the reason, Your Lordship.
So wife has also given statement.
Yes, wife has also
He
given.
has, wife, sorry, she has seen.
Yes.
No.
Eyewitness.
Yes.
No,
There
no.
are
As
statements,
per
Stated
the,
against him.
and even he has.
except Your Honor, my lord,
Please, one by
yes.
one. When is submit? You have a time. I'll give you 2 hours.
Always,
Ah,
always.
don't worry.
He has also admitted to have committed the crime, Your Lordship. The statements I have marked in the record.
The name of the informant? Oh, sorry, the accused? Statement of the accused. Okay, just a minute. Huh? Accused is also 51 years.
Accused, my lord, 56 years of age, having a family member of 7 children, or my lord.
Hmm?
Accused, 56 years old.
56 years.
Yes. He is having family member of 7 children.
He is auto driver.
Yes, auto driver. That auto driving auto, they are providing that rest of the family members. Now he has been in the custody. The rest of people are able to get to their meals, my lord. 6 months has been spending in the custody. Moreover, my lord, he has been suffering from that disease which pressure has been annexed with my petition. So if victim, alleged accused person dies in the custody, then they are the problem of the boss who will take responsibility of all the day-to-day life meals.
He himself has said that.
You know, my lord, one thing I want to make submission. The eye of the case is belong to the same clan. That this is Tadik Dupit and Tapor Dupit. That's belong to the same clan. On this basis, the statement was recorded without the statement given by the witnesses. On basis of clan. Victim has also raised objection that he has been caused multiple of injury, but nothing, no record, no medical report submitted along with the charge sheet. And even he said that he has been referred from Dapurjo to Trims Hospital, but no referred copy and that admitted in any hospital has been annexed along with this charge sheet. Since I am suffering from the kidney stone at the Dapurjo Hospital, there's no urologist. And I am being suffering from cervical spinal disease, which I was undergone 23 at Trims Hospital, Naharlagan. So at this point need to be get proper treatment, my lord.
Your first bail application was rejected on
23 May, 26 May, my lord.
May.
Then second bail was rejected 23 July. My lord, taking the statement of witnesses on that basis, rejection of the bail was, I think, not justified, but it is only come up on the trial stage. I'm ready to appear before the trial court as in well called for, and I'm permanent resident of the Upper Suan district, having the 7 children member, and I'm the only sole owner of family member by driving autos.
children you have?
7, my lord.
7 children.
Yes.
Youngest being?
Youngest now studying class 5. First son is, he got married, but rest of the children are, they are reading class 12, 10, 9, like 7.
Seven children or family member?
7 children include total 9. 7 children include 9, my lord. 7 children, husband and wife include that means 7, 9 total. Total 9 families member.
Charge not yet framed, you said.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Not yet.
Not
Yeah.
yet trial.
He has been inside the custody for how long, you said?
6 months.
When he was arrested?
13 March.
Hmm?
13 March 2025. 13 March. Today, tomorrow completed 6 months.
There, the adverse remarks against you, their conduct reflects that the capable of extreme violence. Difficult.
My lord, yes, I submitted that the eye of the case is belong to the same family. So that
Who is
Ayo, the Tapor Dupit,
Ayo is?
same family.
Same
Ayo,
family?
yes. Kalan Dukan kalan basis. Dupit and
Who's same family?
no. The victim and the Ayo is belong to same family. They belong to Dukam society.
So
Because of that, my lord, because they record the statement in other way. An extra effort, made extra effort without any finding of the fact of the death offense of committed. That is my submission.
maybe, but then yours conduct is not connected with Ayo. Ayo did not ask you to commit the offense. Because you
My
have
lord,
been against the commission of the offense.
my lord,
Attempting to murder.
the record may be seen whether, as per the statement of the eye of the case, the back content multiple times or not. As per my record, and as I seen in the photos, only there are one injuries.
No, Your
MLC.
Lordship.
Not yet.
There is no MLC. There was a prayer for submitting supplementary charge sheet
Okay.
into MLC, which is not there at present, Your Lordship. If I may just
That's
suggest,
not possible otherwise.
otherwise it's not. If I may just suggest otherwise, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
since there is a prima facie case against the accused as per the record, Your
Yeah,
Lordship.
it appears.
However, since they have also come with regard to medical conditions, Your Lordship,
Mhm.
that he had already gone into some operations prior in Your Lordship.
Mhm.
If Your Lordship may keep this matter pending, and there may be a direction to get an
Temporary.
update of his health by the jail authority, Your Lordship. Because there are two grounds. One of the grounds since there is a prima facie, Your Lordship, but in terms of medical, Your Lordship, it can be ascertained only through the if there is any medical checkup held by
The medical,
the
board.
jail superintendent, Your Lordship.
jail superintendent.
He may give us the report, Your Lordship. If there is any
No, there.
no in the petition, Your Lordship.
Petition I have annexed,
MNC
my lord.
of the victim is not produced before the court. There was a prayer of submitting the same in the supplementary charge sheet, which has not been submitted till date, Your Lordship.
Mr. L.S. Tamin,
TLS
TLS
Salim is on Tamin.
Land Council for the petitioner. I've also had Ms. Jin, Land Additional PP. Stop. The forest. One of the prime ground for seeking bail for release of the accused is that he is what disease you say he is suffering from?
Before that, Jabulis locotens, that is but technical, I cannot say, but it's written Jabulis.
What is that?
This is
that's
suffering
just
from testis, but that is the.
Chapolis may be very
Yes,
simple
yes,
one,
yes.
maybe because of mosquito bite, unless
No,
you
no.
know, no point.
Suffering from the testis disease that had done
Hmm?
operation at the Dream Hospital.
Yeah.
And later that
Where have you stated?
Page number 5, Your
Five.
Lordship. Paragraph 5.
the alleged accused person was spontaneous change in
Para five.
cervical and portic span wear and tear.
Para five.
And soon.
Para?
Para 5, Your Lordship.
Para 5. He is also
That-
undergone
that-
Jabulay procedure surgery for the fluid.
The accused has been undergoing treatment for multiple ailments. And he has also undergone surgery for fluid accumulation around the testicles in the month of 2023. And further, he was detected with spondylotic changes in cervical and thoracic spine.
Yes.
Within bracket, wear and tear degeneration of neck and joint, bracket close, on 3rd May 2024. For which he was undergoing treatment. So in view of the above, the jail authority, which jail?
Daporjo.
The
Lord is also suffering from kidney stone.
the jail superintendent.
That was annexed in my petition. As per the ultrasound report.
It has to be directed to the jail superintendent to,
But I may
No,
be
they-
directed, Your Lordship.
okay.
My office may be directed to get a report from the jail superintendent,
Okay.
sub-jail.
In view of
Daporjo.
the above, the additional PP shall obtain the health status of the
Yes. Okay.
accused from the jail
Jail.
superintendent,
Sub-jail,
sub-jail Daporjo, and produce the same on the next date.
yes.
Okay, list is matter when can you obtain? Because probably, and they might also get rechecked,
Yes.
probably.
They'll take him to the medical.
Hmm.
Thereafter, on being checked up, your lordship, the report
Yes,
will be
and
submitted.
in that case,
At least 10 days.
okay,
Yes.
then this is paid for Kamal list is matter again on 25.
Yes.
Okay.
Lordship, yes.
Right. Okay.
It's a,
This is a
It's-
scan
it's-
copy?
it's
The,
scan copy, your lordship.
okay, this can remain,
Yes, your lordship.
okay.
Your lordship,
Matter
also
again.
a small prayer, your lordship.
Hmm.
Since there is no MLC, your lordship can seek a clarification that if any supplementary charge sheet to MLC has been submitted before the court.
No, she will also obtain instruction. The learned additional people shall also obtain instruction with regards to the status of the supplementary charge sheet, which was to be filed by the IOP.
Yes.
Okay.
Deeply.
Item number 10.
Your lordship, the PCR in this matter has not been received, your lordship.
Okay. Mr. Keith of Atlanta Council for the petition is present. Oh, Ms. Jenny Lana Edison P. is also present. However, the trial court report is still awaited in view of the above. When can it be?
It ought,
Have we called for this scan copy only?
yes, scan copy.
And then next week?
Next week, your lordship.
Okay. In view of the above, let this matter be this. When? In view of the above, let this matter be listed again on
But
19. Okay. 19, is it okay? Which court?
it's a UPR Sessions
Yeah.
Court, special,
Then
special,
18 is a DB there,
special,
or 18? We'll fix on 18,
on
18 or 22, huh?
22, your lordship.
22, okay.
Your lordship, a reminder to the registry for the PCR.
The registry shall issue reminder for the PCR. Okay.
Deeply.
Item number 12.
Yes.
Look, we have received the case study.
Yes.
The interim bail was by this honorable court on the 4th September of 2025.
Interim was granted.
Yes, sir.
What was the what
Uh,
record was called for, or what?
Yes, sir. The screen copy of the case
Can
study
copy of the
called
case diary have you received?
for. Yes, sir.
Yes.
The
So-
statement also been recorded, sir.
Hmm?
Statement also been recorded as per the status of the.
Okay, he appeared.
Yes,
after
sir.
obtaining.
Yes, sir.
Statement recorded.
Yes,
He is
sir.
considered remand no longer
Not required, lawsuit. For this.
Okay. By whether he was found arrested.
Lawsuit, yes, lawsuit found arrested and the statement
When?
recorded.
When?
On 8 September.
Okay, hard
8
miss.
September lawsuit.
Hard miss.
Yes, madam.
Miss.
Oh, give me Mamu.
Hard miss. Your name is there.
Yes, madam.
This is item 12.
Yes, plus item number 12. Oh, no, but my name is in respect in Vakalatama.
Okay. We Babu, Land Council for the petitioner. I've also heard Miss El Hage, Land Council, Land additional PP for the state staff. By an order dated 4/9/2025. Just a minute. This is an application filed under. Just a minute. after hearing, apprehending each arrest in connection with the Daporejo PS, in which the Daporejo PS case number 60/2025 under section 6 within bracket 5 stroke 318 within bracket 4 of BNS 2023, the petitioner filed this application under section 482 of the BNSS seeking rearrest bail. Para by an order dated 9/2025. This court has granted interim anticipatory bail to the accused applicant. With certain conditions. Stop. That the report produced has been, but the case there has been perused. Stop. The record reveals that after obtaining interim anticipatory bail, the accused applicant appeared before the IO. Where is the date? When?
On 8
On
September.
8/9/2025. And on his appearance, he was arrested by the investigating agency and recorded his police statement. Stop. After completion of the formalities, the accused applicant was released on. No, just a minute. He was arrested. Have I said arrested? So arrested. After completion of all formalities, the accused was released on interim anticipatory bail on execution of a bail bond, on furnishing bail bond is directed. Bail bond of rupees 1 lakh, with 2 sureties of like amount. Stop. The additional PP based on the record submits that since the accused is cooperating and appearing before the eye of the police and cooperating with the investigating agency and appearing before an agent when called for, the custodial interrogation of the accused is no longer required. In view of the above, the interim anticipatory bail granted to the accused on 4/9/2025 to hereby made absolute. Hereby regularized and made absolute with the same terms and conditions is enumerated in the order dated 4/9/2025. The condition includes, in 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? In the bail, in the earlier bail, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, that the accused applicant shall appear before the IO. With the further, no, with the further condition, that the accused shall cooperate with the IO of the case and appear before him as and when called for. Comma. Number 2, that the accused applicant shall not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat, or promise to any person acquainted with the fact of the case, so as to dissuade him from disclosing such fact either to the police officer or to the court, nor hamper or tamper with the evidence of the case in any manner whatsoever. That the applicant shall not leave the state of Arunachal Pradesh without prior permission of the concerned jurisdictional court.
My lord, I would like with the concerned jurisdiction, it can be reflected police station, concerned police station.
Police station, because after that the police will submit charge it. Then why you have to go to police station again? Okay. With the above, this bail application stands disposal.
Item number 13.
Yes.
May I take it?
Yes.
I am already on 18, my lord.
Okay.
Appeared before the IO as per direction of the
Appeared.
lawsuit, my lord.
Lordship, as per the lawsuit instruction, he did not appear, lordship.
No, I have appeared on 8th of September, my lord.
Whether you have been arrested?
No, my lord. I have appeared on 8th of
You have given a
September.
statement?
Last 8th of September.
Have you given police a statement?
Yes, lord.
You have received the case ID?
In our case study, lordship, there is nothing, no whisper about the appearing, lordship.
See,
I have,
what is this case about?
I have contacted also, lordship. I have seeked the information also, lordship. He did not appear, lordship.
Lordship, I have some instruction. One, my lord.
Have you say that you have appeared before?
Yes, yes, lordship, on 8th.
I
have
Have you
appeared.
submitted the attendance?
Yes, I have.
Whether the police has acknowledged your appearance before them?
My lord, I have submitted the certified copy. They have received it, and
What
it was received
No,
by
no,
one M. Kambo, police personnel named M. Kambo.
While appearing, see, it is always safer when you appear before the police with the copy of the order of the court. It is more likely that police might try to harass you also. But then you have to always go with the attendance. Please acknowledge my appearance or presence before you. Have you done that? Whether they acknowledged that you appear before him?
I'm not.
See,
have no
now on
instruction
what
of that,
basis?
my
On record, you have never appeared.
He never appeared, lordship. I instructed from the IO. I have spoken to on phone also, lordship.
My lord, on 11 a.m. I have
Maybe,
entered
but
police
there is
station.
nothing on
Much
record.
information I have received from the accused, my lord.
Do you have any copy? Any copy of your appearance?
That,
Now this time you go to the police and then go with the attendance
my
and then ask for your appearance before the police.
my lord.
Okay, and then it is always better in the earlier case you have seen,
Yes, lord.
when he appeared, he was formally arrested and released on the same day on the strength of the interim anticipatory granted to the accused. Now why don't you do the same thing?
My lord, it was informed by the accused, my lord, that the IO named Kentar Techa, he was not interested to record the statement, and
No, that is why I'm saying you get this
Yes,
one,
lordship.
acknowledge your appearance.
so
Okay,
lordship,
let's pray for
my interim may be extended, my lord, and next
okay.
one, a date may be fixed. Get the acknowledgement.
Let's pray for by Mr. P. Deka. You are
MM
Mr.
Zaman. MM Zaman.
MM
Zaman. Z.
Jamaat Islamic Council for the petition. Let this matter be listed again on.
My lord, if possible, on my lord, after vacation.
My lordship, that will be too long.
We'll fix
Then
it on
24 or
24.
25? 24 or
24,
25.
okay. Fix on 24. Huh?
Yes, Lord.
On which date the updated case diary will be produced, okay? Stop, huh? Till then, the interim anticipated bail and the interim anticipated bail granted to the accused applicant shall continue, okay?
My lord. Oblige, my lord.
Okay.
19.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, on the last occasion, notice was issued and service has been completed upon the respondents, Your Lordship. There are 4 respondents. And as per the office noting, the service has been completed.
Anyone appearing on behalf of the respondent?
No, Your Lordship.
Service report will be received in respect of.
Your Lordship, since the service has been completed, this matter may be fixed for admission hearing.
Mr.
D. Tata.
D. Tata, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Start. The office note dated 4/9/2025 reflects that the service upon the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4 as received after return after served with after having served with was served and acknowledged by the respondents, huh? Stop. However, no one appears on behalf of the respondent. What is this case about? Can it be taken up in absence of the respondent?
Yes, Your Lordship. Here in this civil revision petition, Your Lordship, the petitioner is assailing the execution order passed by the learned ESC Kaing. And
in view of the above, the notice is treated to have been, the notice is treated to have been completed. Huh? Completed. Stop. However, no one appears on behalf of the respondent. Okay. This matter after 2 weeks for admission. Okay.
Your Lordship, there is interim, Your Lordship.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of wisdom.
Much obliged.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, as per office note, service was not completed, my lord.
Okay.
And address was not found against the respondent number 1.
You take fresh step then.
Okay, my lord. Allow me to take fresh step.
Mr.
And Sora, Nyalu Sora.
And so Land Counsel for the petitioner. Start. The office note dated 11/9/2025 reflects that the notice upon the respondent return with the postal comment, a postal note that the sender not found. Sorry, the addressee not found. In view of the above, Mr. Sora, Land Counsel for that, we can pray for the petitioner, prays for allowing him to take fresh step. The respondent number 1 after ascertaining the current address of the respondent. How many respondents are there? What about the other?
My lord, respondent number 2 respondent, my lord. 1 and 2.
praised for allowing him to take fresh steps upon, okay, after ascertaining the current address of the respondent. The prayer allowed steps within a step. Then we'll give you 2 weeks, then you ascertain the address, current address.
Yes.
In view of the above, the petitioner is granted 2 weeks time to ascertain steps upon the respondent number 1 by a registered post with AD, as well as by the usual process. The service in respect of the respondent number 2 is still awaited. Okay. In view of the above, this is not after 4 weeks.
But there is an interim order.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next day of this day.
Leave to me.
Item number 21.
Yes.
May I, my lordship? Lordship, I have already comment, my lordship.
Adjournment, yes, yes. But trial court record received, it appears. The record reveals it. Okay. We can fix it. For what is this case about? This is criminal petition. For admission, we'll get it this listed. Okay. Mr.
White Aporia, my lord.
The petitioner is present. Miss Jeannie, plan addition PP is also present. Trial court record received. Since the parties are duly represented and the record also received, let this matter be listed next week. When do you want to say?
After 2 weeks, my lord.
After 2 weeks. List this matter after 2 weeks. For
Majority.
okay.